Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to book an Uber for two people. Whether you're heading out with a friend or splitting a ride with a colleague, this straightforward process will have you on your way in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to uber.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you straight to your Uber dashboard, where you can start booking your ride. Now look at the left panel on your screen. This is where you'll handle all the essential details for your trip. Start by entering your pickup location in the field provided. Be as specific as possible to ensure your driver knows exactly where to find you. This could be your home address, a hotel, or any landmark that's easy to locate. Next, enter your drop-off location. This tells the system where you're headed and helps calculate the fare and estimated arrival time. Make sure you've got the correct address to avoid any confusion later. Once you've set your locations, you'll see a button that says Pick Up Now. Click on it. This opens up scheduling options, giving you more control over when your ride arrives. After clicking Pick Up Now, navigate to the Pick Up At section. Here, click on Today to open the calendar view. Use the calendar to pick the date you want your ride. This is especially useful if you're planning ahead for an event or appointment. Now it's time to set the exact time. Click the Time button and select your preferred pickup time from the options available. This ensures your driver arrives precisely when you need them, so you're not left waiting or rushing. With your date and time locked in, click Next to proceed to the ride selection screen. Here's where you choose the type of vehicle you need. Select a ride option like UberX. Most UberX cars comfortably fit two passengers, making it the perfect choice for your trip. You'll see other options as well, but UberX typically offers the best balance of comfort and affordability for two people. Take a moment to review the estimated price and estimated arrival time displayed on your screen. This gives you a clear picture of what to expect before you commit to the ride. If everything looks good, swipe up to confirm the ride details. Finally, you'll see a big bold button that says Confirm. Tap on it to officially request your driver. Once you do this, Uber will start matching you with a nearby driver, and you'll receive updates on their arrival. And that's it. You've successfully booked an Uber for two people with all your timing and location preferences set exactly how you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.